Today we're going over quick basics on how a thermoelectric heated and cooled seat works. There's a lot of misinformation out there surrounding how this works, so we figured we'd demystify it for you right now. If they are truly heated and cooled, the way that they're going to be set up is going to be a Peltier that gets hot on one side, cold on the other. It sucks air in, blows it through. The conditioned air goes up through a hole in this foam, through that reticulated foam, and through the perforated leather. And as you can see, we'll peel back some of the mystery here. You can see into the unit. So to see it in action here, just gonna go ahead and turn this on.